Hello and welcome to the weekly market outlook. So we have had our first week of 2026. Volatility was not that high, but we have had movements, and we also had NFP on Friday, and we had a live analysis on it and anticipation of that. So let us now anticipate for what might occur on the coming week. So let's start our analysis with gold today. So gold has been having a bullish market structure. So this is the monthly time frame. You can see it's very bullish. The weekly on the weekly time frame, you can see the market had a retracement, but as for last week, the market continued with the bullish trend. So the same on the daily time frame, we had a pin on the 13 EMA and we are going up. So this is a sign of a peak reset. So we are having this level here where the market actually reversed and we're having a reset there. So our peak, we're having this as our peak and the market has moved. We had that consolidation and the market is looking to continue going up. So let us draw the ADR boxes. So we are bullish. We are bullish. However, we have this liquidity area here. So we have that liquidity area where we had a gap. And I thought on NFP, the market will come to fill this because we had that. When you look at it on the weekly cycle point of view, the market has been going up, and at the end of the week, we expected the market to come back to the midweek level. But then, upon the release of NSP, we had a bullish movement. We had a bullish movement. So, you can see the ADR is the 3 times ADR ends on this area of resistance. So right now, I think we should wait for the market to reach this area and actually form a big M on the daily time frame for us to take a sell. But as for now, we wait for the market to reach there. So if you're trading gold, you should anticipate for stop and flow rise. Stop and flow rise. So for the market to come at this point and rise. Okay, so USDZAR. So USDZAR on previous week analysis, we saw that it had a bearish market structure, a very good bearish market structure. And on the weekly time frame, see last week we ended with a doji. We ended with a doji. So the market structure still remains bearish. Yeah, the market structure still remains bearish. We haven't changed our position on that. And this is what happened on the daily. The market retraced back to the 13 EMA where it had a pin on that 13 EMA, and this is on Friday upon NFP news release. So you can see even the TDI is having a very, very good peak reset. Very, very good peak reset. So sharp spin around the level middle. So we are having a peak reset on USDZAR. We're having a very good peak reset, and we should expect the market to continue going down. So we have a breakout block right here. That's a possible area where the market would go for a stop hunt and go down. That is on USDZAR. Now, on EURJPY, we saw that the market structure is still bullish, according to higher time frame buyers. The monthly and the weekly time frame, we are having a very strong bullish market structure. And this here is simply a retracement, and we continue going up. And you can see the retracement was coming to cover this area here where we had liquidity. Yeah, we had this liquidity. We had this liquidity area. So this void here that needed to be filled, and after finishing filling it, the market reversed. I was expecting the market to reach this area here. I was expecting the market to reach the large quarter point, a reverse, but it reversed around the undershoot area, just 25 pips from the large quarter point. So here is where the peak is now set, and we are bullish. Bullish. So on the daily, this is very, very nice. If you draw here, this is an area of support, and the market is now gonna go up. So ADR is 97 pips. So that's ADR times 1.
Não, Bravinha, não quer subir. Mas NFT.
Usikie kuonyesha nilikuwa nimeingia before. Kama unaenda
Okay, so we are bullish on EURJPY. Now, if we should have a stop and flow, where would it go? Where would it go? I think around this extension zone. Around this extension zone. And then the market to go up. That is on EURJPY. So this is pound CAD. This is pound CAD, and on the monthly time frame, we saw that we had a very good bullish market structure, and right now the market is on a consolidation. This is a rectangle pattern, and you can see the market is still finding the resistance here. And this is how the weekly time frame is. So last week we had a very bullish trend here. So you can see we had this candle, and we had this as a void of liquidity. So this is a liquidity area, a void of liquidity, which I still believe that the market will go and find it to fill it before actually going up. So that is what I believe. So I'm still seeing that GBPCAD will have to fall before going up. So I still see GBPCAD has to fall before going up to come and fill the void liquidities. Here we are having a void here. Okay, so I'll be looking for sales on this pair to come up to this level here. So we're having the large quarter point there, And price is actually on this hesitation zone here. So price is trying to break it, but it's failing. So this is also a sign that this large quarter will actually not be completed. So I still see GBPCAD would sell. So we're looking for sales on this pair. And now on Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, we first had anticipation that it will come to this area here. That's our anticipation as from last week. And price actually came through. So I had a sell on Euro USD last week. And it gave us profits. So this here should be our peak reset. This here should be our peak reset. So if we measure the area from this point to this point, it's around 135 pips, which is area item 3. So this should be our new peak reset. Price has moved around 128 pips. So we still have a few pips down before the market can actually reverse. So 135 pips. So around this zone here, so around this zone is where the peak will be set. So we'll be looking for price to form a peak formation low around this zone for us to take a buy. So will the buy be temporary or will it be long term? So let us look on what higher time frame is telling us. So this here is also a consolidation. This is a consolidation. The market structure is bullish. We are on consolidation. Right now, price is trying to find the support below. We are having an order block right there. We are having an order block right there. And price has actually reached that order block. Okay, so if this area of support holds, then the market would go up. So we need to wait to see the formation of that peak. So the formation of the peak formation low would mean that the market is going up for good because the market structure is still bullish. The market structure is still bullish. So we should also expect for price to spend some time here before going up to form a good support. So that is on Euro USD. Okay, so any question, any comments from today's analysis?
No question from my side.
Okay.
None from my side too.
All right. So thank you for your time and for listening. And I wish everyone a profitable week ahead. So for those trading BTC,
Hello. Did you analyze the BTC USD? Because I was not here that time.
no, I did not analyze it, but I'm looking at it right now.
Okay. We can look at it right now.
This is BTC USD.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so the daily time frame, you see this area of resistance has hold. Price is now on this support level. Price is now at this support level, the weekly candle. Okay. I think we can have a temporary buy, but I strongly believe it will continue to sell. So I strongly believe that this area of resistance is strong enough. So this is a temporary buy, maybe to come to this 50 MA and then continue to sell. That is what I see. So to that, blue tracer and then sell. That is what I see. Because this support is not that strong. Okay. Hello.
Oh, I see. Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So I think that's all. We can wait for the market open now. We'll take some trades. Yeah, so I wish to see other people sending analysis, or if anyone has analyzed any other pair, you can send it to the group so that it can be active.
Okay.
Yeah, the year has started. We need to trade.